If your students are unable to see your course content, a few things may not be set up correctly in your Canvas course. Check the following items in your course to ensure that your students can view and access your course content. One of the first things you'll want to check is if you have published your course. In order for students to view or access course content, it must first be published. Begin by navigating to canvas.bgsu.edu. Log in with your BGSU username and password. Select Courses. Select All Courses. Find the course in question on the list and check to see if it says Yes in the Published column. If it does not, select the course name and then select the Publish button in the top right corner. The button should now be green and read Published. Sometimes the issue may not be that the course is not published, but that the modules or module items are not published. Select Courses, select the course in question, and select Modules on the left side of the screen. Review the modules and module items to confirm they are published. Modules that are published will have a green check mark next to them. Unpublished modules will have a circle with a diagonal line next to them. To publish a module or module item, click the circle with the diagonal line next to the module name. A green check mark should appear. Publishing a module will publish all corresponding module items. Select the check mark to unpublish specific items if you wish. You will also want to check to make sure you have accurately set course dates in View Access. Select Courses, and then select the course in question. Select Settings from the left side of the screen. Review the following. Ensure that your start date is set for the present or a time in the past if you wish your students to have access now. If you set the start date for the future, students will be unable to access the course until this date. Set the end date for when you would like enrolled students to no longer have access to the course. This allows students to view the course and content outside of these dates, but they cannot submit assignments, post discussions, etc. If you would like students to have read-only access to the course outside of these dates, select the Students Can Only Participate in the Course Between These Dates box. Selecting the Restrict Students from Viewing this course after end date will prohibit students from viewing the course after the set end date. Selecting the Restrict Students from Viewing the Course Before Start Date box prohibits from viewing the course before the set start date. Once you have set your course dates in View Access, select Update Course Details.